You're listening to the Sporty Pod. Let's talk about the Champions League semi-finals. Real Madrid versus Chelsea. The first leg played in Santiago Bernabeu, Real Madrid's home ground. So how was it? So I'll make this video in three parts. First we'll talk about Chelsea, then we'll talk about Real Madrid, and then we'll talk about how the game went along and maybe predictions and how will second leg go through. So let's start with Chelsea. So to be very honest, this was Chelsea's game. It was Chelsea's 90 minutes. Other than Benzema's when he hit a woodwork and when he hit a brilliant goal. Not to forget, Benzema is saving Madrid down the line. Sorry for the language, but that's what Benzema has been doing. We'll talk about it later. Let's talk about Chelsea. So Chelsea's lineup. Chelsea started with 3-5-2. Thomas Tuchel coming with his strongest squad, playing with 5 midfielders, Timo Werner and Christian Pulisic. I think he could have started Kai Havertz ahead of Timo Werner. Timo Werner's had a good season, but he is lacking that preciseness, and that's what whole Chelsea lacked. If you watch the match, I watched it, it was a disaster from Chelsea. Okay, it's 1-1 and they're happy with an away goal, but they could have scored so much many more, and due credits that they couldn't. Again, amazing goal from Christian Pulisic. I loved it, the way he took it from Courtois and scored down the line. Chelsea needs better preciseness. They have been good in the defense. Rudiger, Thiago Silva and Christensen doing their job pretty well. Talking about Real Madrid, Benzema saved Madrid. These are the three words for them. Benzema as well as Zinedine Zidane and his tactics. Again Zinedine Zidane playing with 3 midfielders and almost 5 midfielders, 3-5-1. That's what he played. So he changed the tactics throughout the match. Benzema saving him with the woodwork. Vinicius Junior not much. Their defense, Militao, Varane and Nacho. They were not good. Madrid struggled the whole 90 minutes. There were times where Madrid were good, but Madrid needs improvement. We can see that they are losing their hand on La Liga. They are losing their hand in Champions League semi-finals. Maybe they'll step up, but Madrid needs a lot of restructuring. They need that one prolific striker who will come and save them. They need that Messi. They need Ronaldo. They're missing. They want that one prolific striker. Eden Hazard has to step up and show them why he is what he is worth. So third part, let's talk about the game. So the whole 90 minutes, the game is very well poised. Chelsea have had so many chances and they couldn't capitalize. Like, if that goal was the goal which was at Pulisic hit a wonderful goal. He took it from Thibaut Courtois and hit it. But if that would have been on Werner, I don't think Werner could have done it. I think you agree with me also. Tell me in the comment section below, you do or not. But other than that, it was a brilliant performance from Chelsea, except finishing. Coming on the Madrid side, Madrid were sloppy. They need a bit of work in their defense. They were missing Sergio Ramos a lot, and we could see that. So the game is poised very well. Chelsea having an away goal, and Madrid will be pretty confident that they will come back. But it will be interesting to see. What my opinion on this will be that I think Chelsea will go through. Okay, this is hard that Real Madrid out of Champions League, Chelsea, but I think Chelsea will go through here. Somewhere Thomas Tuchel having an amazing start. He will make his players work in Stamford Bridge, and I think Chelsea will go through. Thank you for listening. If you like it, hit a subscribe button. If you want us to improve, mention in the comment section, and do let us know your opinion. Thank you so much.